Imagine your college conducts one of the unique cultural fest in India. I don't know that excites you or not, but I'm on the other hand was damn excited because in the last year, because of my laziness, I was unable to attend the event. But in this year, it's not like that. In this year, I don't want to repeat the same mistake again. So let's dive into the event. But before that, let me give a small introduction about the event. The theme of the event is the students from different states of India, some of the countries around the world, who are studying inside the campus come together and represent their unique tradition and culture. And basically, it is a 3 days event, and I tried to cover each and every state and country which are participated inside the event. So let's jump into the event.
मेरे साथ भारत माता के भारत माता के भारत माता के वंदे वंदे
What matters more to me is, would I enjoy the event or not? And the answer is yes.